Welcome to my new spring series where each Friday I refresh and get my life together in a different way. Fashion, home, cleaning. This week I'm doing a monthly reset for March, so make sure to come back next week and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little monthly reset, just kind of cleaning, making some goals, just kind of prepping for the month ahead. Also a new season. Spring is like officially here. Spring was never really my favorite season, but I feel like it's kind of my favorite season now. Like I feel like spring has always been kind of underrated for me, but I've just been like obsessed with spring. We're just going to be prepping for March, prepping for the month ahead, getting organized. I just want to go into March feeling good, feeling ready, feeling prepared. We're just gonna get organized for March together. First off, I need to run a few errands. I have like a whole list of things and it's not really like a long list. I do have a few places I need to go. Starting off with the post office, I need to drop off a few Poshmark orders. There's a coffee shop next door. It's like my favorite, one of my favorite coffee shops, and they just came out with their spring drinks. I thought it'd be fun to try a spring drink. I also need to get gas. My car is literally on empty. I'm also gonna go to Target. I'm gonna be kind of doing this today and tomorrow because I have a brand deal that I need to film and edit today. I actually need to film some of it at Target to kind of like show that that product is available at Target. We're gonna be going to Target. I also kind of want to look at some of the spring home decor at Target. I think that's all of the places I need to go to. Let's just go into the post office, get these Poshmark orders dropped off. Favorite spring drink?
It's gonna be raspberry and white chocolate, mild, delicate, and quite tasty.
Could I do one of those? Got my coffee. This is the Spring Rush. I believe it has like raspberries and white mocha in it. I'm really excited to try it. Oh, this is really good. It kind of tastes like when you have like a strawberry chocolate. It definitely has like a spring vibe to it. Now I'm at Target. Just gonna run in here. I'm gonna try to be kind of quick. Big mistake because they do not have the product that I need to show myself getting. I should have brought it with me just in case. Target was kind of a fail. The main reason I went in there was to film a clip for a sponsorship, basically showing that the product is available in stores, physically putting it in my cart. They didn't have that item in store. Even though on their website it said that it was in stock, it said it was available. I should have brought it with me and had it in my purse because they probably just don't have it yet. They're probably getting it like later this week. And then I could have just filmed a clip of me putting it in the cart and then just put it back in my purse. And then I would have gotten my clip for the sponsorship that is due today. I didn't do that, and now I'm gonna have to come up later today and film that clip. That is really annoying because that was like the main thing I needed to get done today. I ended up walking out of Target with $95 worth of home decor that I probably didn't need. I do want to refresh my space for spring. It is a little bit later. I'm filming a sponsored Instagram reel. It's actually for a nail company. That's why my nails are looking a little bit plain right now. I'm gonna do a little DIY at-home manicure. Thought I would show you guys the little setup. Got my tripod, my phone, iPad with like some notes of how I want to film this, and then all of the supplies. They turned out so cute and they weren't too hard to do. I'm really bad at doing my own nails, but they weren't really that hard to do. They turned out super cute. Now I need to do the other hand. Now I'm just doing that. It's like this little kit and you just kind of peel them off and stick them on, put them under the light. There's a little more to it than that, but that's basically what it is. Just doing my nails, filming an Instagram reel. It is the next day. I'm gonna finish the monthly reset. Yesterday was like a really productive day. I had like a whole long to-do list and I got everything on my list done. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I actually had a call with my manager and we kind of talked over some goals for the month ahead. That also kind of got me very motivated. I feel like yesterday was just overall a great start to the month. Today we're gonna finish everything up. I have a long list of things that I want to get done, mostly all kind of cleaning related. I feel like deep cleaning your space is essential in a monthly reset. Nothing makes me feel more refreshed than a clean space. I love to just kind of give everything a good deep clean. Let's just get started. apartment is looking so clean. It also has like a little bit of like a newness to it just from like the few new decorations that I picked up from Target. I do feel like picking up a few new decorations can definitely help kind of like spruce things up for a new season, kind of bring life into your apartment, especially if the weather is not really that nice yet, if it's still feeling a little bit wintry and cold and you just kind of need it to feel like spring. I feel like picking up some fake plants or some real plants can definitely help kind of bring the spring vibes into your apartment, or just like a cute little candle. I feel like that can really help get rid of the winter blues, kind of bring in that spring feeling. I feel like my apartment is really just feeling like spring. It's clean. The next thing I want to do is just kind of go over some goals for March. I made a little list. Let's just go through these. I kind of looked at my list for the whole entire year, like all of my 2024 goals. And if you guys watched this video, basically my 2024 yearly reset, in that video I talked about all my goals for the new year. Somehow I have like not even started on any of my goals. I kind of decided to break it down by the month, decided to make a focus for each month. So like 1 month I'm gonna focus on my finances, 1 month I'm gonna focus on cleaning and decluttering, 1 month I'm gonna focus on relationships and social. February I wanted to focus on my routines, like really getting my routines down for the rest of the year. For March I just kind of want to focus on growing my social media, experimenting with like some different videos, finding new ways to monetize, maybe upgrading my equipment, posting more on all the different platforms. That is kind of going to be my focus for March. Honestly, March is going to be a really busy month, and I'll kind of talk about that as I go through my goals. This is something that I'm kind of already focusing on. It will hopefully be kind of easy. That is just kind of like my focus for the upcoming month. But my specific goals: get up at 7 a.m. and just really solidify my morning routine. I have been really struggling with this. Literally, I just cannot get into a good morning routine. I don't mean like have my alarm go off at 7 a.m. I mean like get up and start my day like at 7 a.m. Open my blinds, get up out of bed at 7 a.m. I'm really bad about snoozing, sitting in bed scrolling. I really want to start my day at 7 a.m. and that way I just have a lot more of my morning, and therefore my night routine will start earlier and I'll have like a better, more relaxing night routine because I got everything done during the actual day. I kind of want to do like a spring series on my YouTube channel. This is actually going to be the first one in the series. It's basically just going to be like a little bit of a different style of video. I'm going to be focusing more on like lifestyle and review type videos, and like every Friday in March and maybe even April I'm gonna do a video that's just like a little bit of a different style than my normal like fashion type videos. Just kind of experiment with like the editing. It might not seem that different, but the other videos are gonna be a little bit different than my other types of videos, so definitely stay tuned. Post on Instagram and TikTok 5 times per week. I really want to try to post every single day. That is like a big commitment, and I'm gonna start with 5 times per week, and then I'm gonna try to like work up to every day. I really want to get to the habit of posting every single day on Instagram and TikTok. I have a lot of content planned. I feel really good about this. One of my main goals is to really work on my average views on YouTube. They have been down a lot, which as a YouTuber, it really affects everything. Those were kind of like more business related goals. For some more personal goals, finish Atomic Habits. I started this book back in October and I still haven't finished it yet. I just kind of forgot about it until my dad was telling me how good it was, and he keeps telling me how good it is. I actually do have like the audiobook, so it's just really easy to listen to as I'm like cleaning. I need to finish this. Save more than I spend. I've actually been pretty good about spending the last couple months. I really want to try to save more money than I'm spending. It's okay if I spend some, as long as I'm putting more in my savings than I am spending, which is a lot easier said than done. I really want to write my maid of honor speech. I keep saying that I'm gonna start on it and then I don't. The wedding is right around the corner. I really need to get it written, and I really want to be done with it by the end of this month. Like I want to have it completely done so I can just practice actually saying it and start memorizing it. I really want to finish it. Also, just like anything else for my sister's wedding, I just want to get done by March. Like order any dresses, jewelry, shoes, any dresses for like the rehearsal dinner, solidify anything for the bachelorette party. I just want to get like all of that done this month. Everything for the bridal shower has to be done in March. I absolutely have to get that done in March, solidifying everything for that. Go outside every day, or at the very least, walk on my walking pad. I keep saying I'm gonna do this. Today it was 70 degrees out and I didn't even go outside. those are all of my goals for March. I feel like they're kind of all over the place. I would love to know what your guys' goals are for the month, so definitely comment them down below. I feel like I could definitely add more, but I try to kind of keep it simple. I mean, that's literally not simple at all. The more simple it is, the easier it is to accomplish. I think I'm gonna make a little wallpaper, mood board, vision board for the month of March, just to update the background on my phone. Something about a new background on your phone, it's just like new vibes. I just get excited for the month, so I'm gonna make it very spring themed and kind of incorporate some of the goals that I just made. I'm just gonna pull pictures from Pinterest and kind of collage them together. Hopefully it turns out really cute. I think my wallpaper turned out super cute. Here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna update my lock screen on my phone. That way it can kind of be a reminder of my goals and just kind of the vibes for the month of March. Something about updating my lock screen is just like very motivating. I've been looking at the same lock screen for the last couple months, so something about this is just like a fresh feeling. The colors and the flowers just kind of gets me in the spring mood. There is one last thing that I want to do for this monthly reset. That is a glow up. I actually kind of already did part of it, which is my nails. I always like to get fresh new nails for the new month. I'm also going to redo my fake tan. It's looking so splotchy, and I'm actually going to go take Instagram pictures tomorrow, so I just want a fresh, nice tan. Something about a fresh fake tan just like boosts my confidence. Makes me feel like a new person. The Loving Tan 2R Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse is my go-to. You can use my code EmilyGrace for a free deluxe tanning mitt. I'll have that linked below in the description. It's literally the best. It's so good. That is kind of just like the last step to this. That is the monthly reset. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you like to do to prep for the month ahead. Also, let me know some of your goals for the month of March. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you feel in the spring mood, not so much of the winter blues. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.